Hey guys, welcome back to Vicky Ratnani's. गर्मी का मौसम है. Obviously, you want to drink a lot of liquid, stay hydrated. When I talk about summer, I'm thinking of mangoes. Now, अपने जो country में है, there are so many different kinds of mangoes. Today, I'm using kharbuza from Kanpur, and I'm using these called Lalbagh mangoes. These are called Jaggery mangoes, and they come from Karnataka. You will see that they have distinctive shades of red and green. Okay, that's how पहचान उसकी होती है, and they are absolutely delicious. तो ये हम क्या करेंगे is that we are going to be making today a mango and melon smoothie. Let's start blending. So it's very simple, peeling off all your fruits, a bit of jaggery powder, a bit of lemon juice, some crushed ice, thoda sa pudina and some salt. And here iske liye I'm using a little bit of coconut milk as well. It's that simple. So first we just going to be cutting these into chunks, okay? Now ye jo kharbooz hai, this melons, you know, these are one of my favorite fruits. Because sometimes when they are overripe, okay, you can make beautiful juices and desserts with them. Now, इसको हम cut कर देते हैं. Take the inners out. Beautiful. तो melon हो गया, mango हो गया, lemons है, jaggery है, coconut milk है, ice in the fridge, and that's it. Chalo, let's start blending now. So we have all our melon and mango here. Beautiful. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा coconut milk, about 1 cup to 1.5 cup of coconut milk, and a little bit of sourness. Okay. So you have a sweet sour, so it gives a nice taste. So just a little bit of lemon, just to give a slight touch. Okay. Then some jaggery powder, okay, good sugar in your life, and then we have some lovely fresh pudine ke leaves. It gives that whole lovely freshness to your smoothie, okay. और उसके बाद I have some ice cubes already taken out from a tray. And all you have to do is blend. Now, sometimes what we do actually even in restaurants is that जब आपको smoothie बनानी है, and for example you don't want to use ice cubes, it's very simple. जो आपके fruits हैं, you can actually freeze them in a Ziploc bag, and you can use that whole frozen fruit into making smoothies. And that's also I gave this whole idea to the people in my gym, and they're really happy. So all these people, if you're making smoothies regularly और आपके पास fruits है, उसको आप काट लो, हल्का सा lemon juice डाल के एक ziploc bag में या airtight plastic के डब्बे में आप अपने फ्रिज में या फ्रीजर में फ्रीज कर सकते हो. That's how easy it is. Easy peasy smoothie. Oh my God. OMG जैसे हम कहते हैं आजकल. पहले तो टेस्ट करना चाहिए. One thing I've learned in life: taste before you feed the others. Because it's true thing. अगर आप टेस्ट नहीं करोगे and there's something wrong with it, आपको जूते खाने पड़ेंगे. And otherwise, you get some good praises. So I think this is absolutely ready. It doesn't really need anything. I just love the flavor of the mango and the melon. Perfect consistency. Oh yes. Mango and melon smoothie. Boom, ready. It's vegan and it's gluten free. Enjoy.